It's a beautiful, beautiful day. So, if you felt upset yesterday, if you felt down yesterday, if you felt whatever negativeness in your heart, in your mind, in your whole being, today's a new day. And guess what? Tomorrow's Friday. Today is Friday Junior, Friday Eve. So whatever happened yesterday, put it to the past. Look, if you're going to spend more than 5 minutes dwelling on something, you're going to spend the rest of the 24-hour dwelling on it. So honestly, count, go outside, walk it off, listen music, dance like nobody's looking, and then come back and then be you. There's so much negativity in this world that it's ridiculously insane. There is so much more positiveness. If you broke up with someone, that's because it was never meant to be. If she left you, it was not her. It's somebody else coming. If your job doesn't want to promote you, another company will want you in a higher position. Just saying. I'm just saying. If you've been with the same guy, with the same girl for an entire year, but you don't see yourself with them in the future, why are you still with them? Do us a favor. Just close 2019 on a positive notes. Close 2019 on a more looking forward to a better, brighter future, to a beautiful you, to a skinny you, to a fat you, to a foodie you, to a traveling you, to a baby making, marrying, wifey, husband, material, handsome, hubby, money making, hard working, smiling, happy. Whatever, all the positive things you want. Close 2019 with that. So you can start 2020. Like I got this. Like this, this is for me. Okay? Okay? Donc, t'as là. C'est ça là qui est passé lobby. C'est là qui est passé pendant ne mobimba. Il est temps, il y a que sundorango. Dans minute so na trap na makapanga sabu nga bokama. Man, it is time to just accept things as they are and move on to better, brighter you.